anticipation, you guys facing Dustin Baltasar?
Well, it'll be a first time for all of us. You know, he's obviously, you know, we've scouted him. He's obviously a great player. He was the #1 pick in the draft. He's obviously going to get our respect because he is a player. But there's a lot of other guys out there that we have to worry about as well. The guard lineup is very strong. The backcourt has a really strong backcourt, and their import is long and active. So Justin's going to be one of those things we worry about, but not the whole thing. We've got to worry about the whole team.
Yeah, you said it, that the system that they have, the players that they have, and of course yung winning is coaching the Dick Proud in the Philippines. And we just want to compete, especially it's the third day of our three-game stretch. We just want to compete and somehow make a good run, offense and defense. Bring in what we do best, and then let's see. Hopefully, at the end, baka we have a chance to get the game somehow. Medyo out of town pa, so we know yung venue it would be for sure against us. But it would be a nice test for us.